In this video, I will show you how to do this. Basically, spawn a cube right in front of you when you right click on your mouse. To get started, go into the content browser and make a folder. I just called mine my stuff, and create a blueprint class. Name it BP Placeable. Open it and drag it up here so that the tab is bigger. And in the viewport, add a component. Choose the cube and drag it up 50 centimeters so that the bottom of the cube is in line with the grid. Then compile and go into your first person character blueprint. Make sure you're in the event graph. Right click and type in keyboard. Choose any one of these. Then go up here into the details panel and click on select the key value and right click with your mouse so that this says right mouse button. Now out of here, drag out spawn actor from class and choose the placeable that you created. Now if you compile, you will get an error because you need the spawn transform. Right click on it and click on split struct bin. Now we could set the location that you want the placeable to spawn in. Drag in the first person camera. Get world location. Connect it here. Actually no, don't connect it. Now get forward vector. Normalize. Bring in a multiply node. Oh, and make a variable called place distance and set it to a float. I already have one, so I'll just delete this and use the one I have. Compile and set the default value. I set mine to 300 so that we will place the cube 300 meters in front of us. Now add an add node and connect it to the multiply node, then connect it to spawn transform location. Compile and play to test it. And now if you right click, you will spawn a cube right in front of you. If you want to change how far away it spawns from you, click on the place distance and change it to anything you like. Compile, play. You see, now it's further away. So we just created a way to place cubes directly in front of us. But if you want to break cubes that you placed, like this, then click here where I show you how to do that.